Hello, all. Welcome to the day 13 of the daily case study series for Cbse grade 12. Today's question goes like this. The flight path of two airplanes in a flight simulator game are shown below. The coordinates of the airports P and Q are given. Airplane 1 flies directly from P to Q. Airplane 2 has a layover at R and then flies to Q. The path of airplane 2 from P to R can be represented by the vector phi I plus j minus 2k. Assumption: the flight path is straight and the fuel is consumed uniformly throughout the flight. Based on the above information, answer the following questions. Question number 1. Find the vector that represents the flight path of airplane 1. OP vector is equal to minus 2i plus j plus 3k. OQ vector is 3i plus 4j minus k. Flight path PQ is equal to OQ vector minus OP vector. That is 3i plus 4j minus k minus minus 2i plus j plus 3k, which is equal to 5i plus 3j minus 4k. Subdivision 2. Write the vector representing the path of airplane 2 from R to Q. Let's show the path of the airplane 2. It's PR to RQ. Subdivision 2 is asking for the path R to Q. So by triangular law of addition, PQ vector is equal to PR vector plus RQ vector. So from here, RQ is equal to PQ minus PR. That is 5i plus 3j minus 4k minus 5i plus j minus 2k, which is 2i minus 2k. Subdivision 3. What is the angle between the flight paths of airplane 1 and airplane 2 just after takeoff? The path of airplane 1 is PQ. The path of airplane 2 is PR. So we have to get the angle theta, which is formed by PQ and PR. PQ dot PR is equal to magnitude of PQ magnitude of PR times cos theta, where theta is the angle between these two vectors. So cos theta is equal to PQ vector is 5i plus 3j minus 4k dot 5i plus j minus 2k divided by magnitude of PQ vector, which is 5 square plus 3 square plus minus 4 square into square root of magnitude of PR. 5 square plus 1 square plus minus 2 square. So 5 into 5 plus 3 into 1 plus minus 4 times minus 2 by root 50, and this is root 30, equal to 36 by root 50 into root 30. 36 by 5 root 2, and 30 can be written as 2 into 3 into 5, which gives us 36 by 10 root 15, that is 18 by 5 root 15. Let's get back with another case study question tomorrow. Thank you all.